What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be showing you step by step how to do the two-step foil vinyl. So you guys stay tuned because this is going to be a good one. Okay, you guys, this is the carrier sheet. It's actually the adhesive sheet that will go down on the shirt first because this is two-step. This right here was cut with a 4-blade and it cut too deep, and then that part was cut with a 2-blade, which it was kind of jagged. This was a perfect cut, which was a 3-blade, a 15/4, and 1 pass. So you guys make sure that you do that when you are cutting this first step. Now, this side is the dullest side. The shiny side is facing down on the mat. So make sure that the dull side is facing up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut with our Silhouette Cameo 4 on the dullest side of our sheet. So once that gets done cutting, we're going to move on to the next step, which is weeding. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get started with this weeding process. While we do that, I want to let you guys know, if you are interested in getting this two-step foil vinyl, check out Vinyl House of Raleigh. The website is www.vinylhouseofraleigh.com, and if you use the coupon code minitingz, you will get 15% off of your purchase. So as you see here, I am weeding out the part that I want to be blank and I want the shirt to show through. I'm weeding that off and I'm leaving the part that I want to actually stay on the shirt. So in my design, the part that I'm weeding off is the white part, okay? So I'm going to weed off all of this. And then in a moment, I'm going to speed up this process so you can see that. Okay, you guys, so here's the fun part. So the first step is we're going to make sure that we put our adhesive down first, and we're going to make sure everything is lined up. Do a pre-press first, make sure everything's 4 fingers down, and you're going to set your temperature for 300 degrees. Now in this video I did not, but you will see exactly what happens when you don't. So 300 degrees for 3 to 5 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to press that on light pressure. Okay? As you see, I did it on a firmer pressure and I had to adjust it. So light pressure. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and pull off your plastic backing from your adhesive. And then once you're done with that, you will have the glue part, the adhesive part stuck to the shirt. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to be prepared to take the foil part and make sure that the side you want is facing up. You want to lay it on there and you want to smooth it out over top of the adhesive part. So smooth it firmly, and then when you go to press it, you want to press it on a firm pressure of 8 to 10 seconds. Same temperature, 300. And then once you get finished with that 8 to 10 seconds, you want to release it, and then you want to let it cool, okay? Let it cool all the way down, and then once you let it cool all the way down, you want to peel it off, as you'll see in a moment. Okay, so as you see here, I overheated it initially, so that might be the reason why I have these lines in it. So make sure you use the temperatures that I've given you. This is the final product. I hope this video helped. Thank you for coming to this channel. See you guys next time.